Put your work, I do it now. Jump this thing. Come on, take the rubber protector.
We hope that you find time to look through our concerns and possibly demands. We hope that government will do justice to some of the things we have put across to you. But I think the most important thing I want to do is to inform Your Excellency. The Council has decided to honor you by the special grace of God with the highest title that we can give. Unfortunately, in this part, we don't do personal chieftaincy titles. Otherwise, you are more than qualified for that kind of honor. But in Bonny Kingdom, what is possible for us to do is to honor you with the Amoku symbol, which of Grand Bonny Kingdom. In addition to that, Your Excellency, I'm also asked by Council to let you to inform you that Your Excellency, by virtue of your position as the first Emanison who has attained this, the highest office of the land, you have every right to and privilege to sit with Council whenever you have time. I really pleases Your Excellency. Having said that, I want to pray that Your Excellency accepts us when we have come, and after now, you'll be able to join us to the actual reason for which you are participating with us today. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Let me apologize for coming very late. This program was the original program we had today, but I don't remember that somebody gave a bride plate for a burial. And you know, burial is something that is very important, no matter how it is, urgent, because we're all going to pass through that channel. So honoring somebody in burial, if you have the properly. So on my way, I said, let me see if I can use one stone to give two legs in two opposite directions. So I had to go to Ogoma, just pay my respects to the mother of Flag Mac. So from there, I started coming to this point. So that is the reason why I came late. But what is important is that I'm here now. I'm not in a hall meeting. The king doesn't do everything. Most times he gives most activity in the hands of the chairman who did the presentation. Chairman, everything you said is well taken. I just need to say a few things. It was never our desire not to do or to make my people have a feel of government. But you can agree with me that if I had 2 years in government, I can say 23 months has been wahala. With that, how do you focus? How do you, it's even bad when the instrument that you're supposed to use to effect good governance are even the one making it difficult for you. I can assure you here this evening that even before this presentation, I've always been in touch with His Majesty, telling him not to worry. I should continue to assure the good people that there is no way, because that God is alive, that we will leave this office without putting our print in this nation. The project you mentioned, the school, was the project that I inherited, predecessor. And at least when I start, I made every arrangement, which is still ongoing, to make sure that that project is delivered. I believe you're seeing good results from that. But that is not the one I'm talking about, the one that you want. Bonny has expanded. Bonny needs tunnel road. Bonny needs shock protection. Outside that, it's not just the road shock protection. There should be other economic things, economic activity that is needed so that Bonny can be totally stable. We agree that the LNG is doing their best, creating employment, improving the commercial activities, but government needs to be also here. The survival of this place, if I'm not mistaken, in the past 20, 30 years has been dependent on the activities of the energy and nothing about government. So I can assure you that we will come in by the Spirit of God before the end of the first quarter of next year to show up. I want to thank my big brother, the King, for being patient with me. When you occupy some position, it goes with maturity, but not this kind of office. We have talked about a lot of things, but a few things happen. But the major one that we wanted did not come into manifestation. But in every time, no matter what has happened, he has always stood by me. So I want to thank him here. Be patient, because I read somewhere they say that what they call friends of benefit. I think friends for benefit, friends of benefit. Okay, friends with benefit. Our relationship is not relationship with benefit. It is pure, natural, and for that reason, I will always make sure that I stand with you. So let me, on behalf of the family, definitely the one that don't hear that the house, accept this honor with I know what it means, because I'm also entitled to know that place I know what this one is. Unfortunately, our line don't recognize or will not give chieftaincy, because every chief represents the working house. So I dream you want to give me chief. I said you give me chief and create one. Is that what I think we should do? So who will I be ruling there? Is it crocodile and fish? So the only way we do our own is when you get to that level, you'll be honored with a title. That title is a sign of respect a sign of responsibility. And I know that this honor today is not just, it's also called for duty to me as a person, not just for this kingdom, but for the good people of the West. I can assure you, and I will not let you down. Let me thank everyone here. I will come specially, just like you ambushed me. I will also ambush you.
We are ready to see you today.
No problem. I know. Yeah. And before I go, I just want to know my Fenio. Thank you. So, like I said, you ambushed me. I'm very sure that I'm going to ambush you in my own way. And that any other time when I'm coming, our story will be better and sweet. So, let me on behalf of the good people of the West States wish kind of the suspension when I came, when he had his birthday, he said something. That leadership is important. And that what is important is when you finish, what will people remember you? In the service, the funeral I attended, a preacher said something. You know the story of a very rich man who had a big farm, so much near that he said, look, tomorrow morning I will scatter this by storage, expand it in such a way that the yam I have now, I will eat it forever and ever. And what happened? While he was sleeping, the Almighty came and tapped him and did their soul. We have our own special meeting. That meeting, when we go for that meeting, we will not come back. So what is the meaning of that? Even if you're living for 1 week, you should live in a way that you know that when you're no more, how will people tell your story? Any story that has to do with negativity is not a story. No matter how you want to look at it, the story must be positive. So I told him, I'm happy to associate with him because so far, everything about the kingdom, the way he managed things, even the council of chief and others, doesn't respect. So that by tomorrow, it will no more. Positive things at once, and people will see about it. So please, I urge you, continue to lead them with respect, lead them with honor. And that is the only way they will also return the honor to the stool. I'm happy. I say I should share it with you. I'm already happy with that place. Place of humility, place of patience. What else are you looking for this time? If you're humble, you're patient. You can't get everything. But sufficiency is about the spirit. It's not about the feeling of things that they have. It's the spiritual thing. So let me thank you again for this special warm reception, this honor. And everyone that is here, it is not just for me, it's for all of you. As I'm going, fortunately, I won't give you the title, but you will enjoy the moment of this. Thank you. Thank you. And may God bless everyone.